I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which Apple TV and Denon receiver you have, because HDMI versions affect audio pass-through. Once done, power down the TV, receiver, and Apple TV. This prevents HDMI handshake glitches. Make sure you have a 4K-rated HDMI cable. Longer runs may need active cables or 18 Gbps spec for HDR content. Also identify the HDMI ARC or eARC TV port and the receiver's HDMI output labeled TV OUT. These labels determine routing. You next plug the Apple TV HDMI into a Denon HDMI input, then connect Denon's HDMI OUT to the TV's HDMI ARC or eARC port. This routes sound back to the receiver. Power on the receiver, TV, then Apple TV in that order so CEC and ARC initialize. On the Denon, set the input label to Apple TV and enable HDMI control or CEC. On the TV, set TV speakers to AV receiver or enable ARC. This alignment ensures audio commands and remote pass-through work. You now configure the Apple TV audio. Go to Settings, Video and Audio, then Audio Format, choose Dolby Digital 5. 1 for compatibility or Dolby Atmos if the Denon supports it and HDMI eARC is active. Make sure Match Dynamic Range and Match Frame Rate are set as you prefer. These affect sound and picture. If you hear no audio, toggle the HDMI format on the receiver to Enhanced HDMI or change Apple TV audio output to stereo briefly. If needed, reboot the receiver, TV, and Apple TV to reset the HDMI handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.